Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangmah nin kesngi. Ulaple ya ke skim Focus Plus kum ke jing penyar ya ke skim Focus. Kenang ban ai jing mentoy ya man la ki long ying ha ke jela. Lengba ke Focus Plus en ailat ya man la ki long ying ban ya don benta ha ke rep karyang nalor ki kam ba ki trai man la kesngi. Lengba kani ke skim en ai jing rap marsan hajar tingka shiying. Bat kani ke pisa kan late bet sha ke bank account jong ki nong yo jing mentoy. Ya kini ke skim la plepat ba ha ke jingelang ke belalong Harisu Belpara North Garo Hills. Haba ai jingkran ha kini ke jingelang u Konrad ulaong ba ke jing sedang ya ke skim Focus kala ai jingerap shibun ya ki nong rep ki badan kam ya ke jingkershan ban pinbet penbiang ya ki kam rep jongki. Kumjo ke jing sedang ya ki projek ban penyat yo ya ushen rai lakadong ya ki senyang kadut using bat kiwi ki marep kala yarap shibun ya ki nong rep. Kumta kenang ban kam ai jingerap shu ya man la ki longying ha ki jakan nong kendong ha ke jela ki bedang yadon benta bat karep karyang lawan ra ya kini ke skim Focus Plus.
Now what we have done today is we are launching Focus Plus because earlier the benefits was going to the group account. Now the members of these groups will get financial benefit directly. So the idea is to give 5,000 rupees to individual farmers in their personal accounts who are members of the PG group. But apart from this support, as I said, we have done a large number of organizing in terms of technology interventions, in terms of training that have been given, in terms of financial support through interest-free loans that have been given to our farmers. So large-scale work is going on. But this program today, which we're doing, is the largest program and it will benefit the farmers directly.
Menteri Bakmi ya